Makeup brushes are a necessary tool for every makeup lover. However, the extensive collection in the market today can be too intimidating. So today I'm gonna share two options for every type of brush. One is from Cuffs and Lashes Beginner Makeup Brush Set and the other one is from Europe Girl. So let's start with the foundation brush. This is a flat foundation brush that can be used to apply a foundation. It has stiff bristles. This kind of brush gives full coverage and it does not eat up the product. However, it can leave some harsh edges, so you need to blend it with the next brush that I'm going to show you. It's a buffing foundation brush. This kind of brushes are dense, meaning it has a lot of hair tightly packed on the brush. You also get different variations of this brush. Some are round, some are angular, and some are flat from the top. You can just use this brush to apply a foundation and skip the flat brush. It's the first must-have brush in your kit. It blends your foundation without taking away the coverage. Next, we have concealer blending brush. These brushes are fluffy, might have different shape from the top like round or flat. These brushes are generally small, so it's easy to go under the eyes with them and blend. I'll link all the products mentioned in the description and some other options as well. Moving on to the powder brush, you can have big or small powder brush. They are loosely packed, fluffy brushes. It helps with an even application of your powder. Smaller powder brush fits perfectly under your eyes. However, you can just have any one of this. A big brush makes the process little faster. I also like to apply my blush with the same brush. These days, I like to apply my blush near my eyes and I think it helps with lifting your face a little bit. And that is all the must-haves for your face. Now let's move on to the eyes. The first one is a fluffy brush. This brush is used to apply a transition eyeshadow shade. It has either an angled or a round composition. It's loosely packed brush. It's fluffy, so it blends the eyeshadow really well without leaving any harsh lines. This is a very versatile brush. You can even use it to apply a highlighter. Next is a flat eyeshadow brush. This brush is used to place your eyeshadow without compromising on the pigment. These kind of brushes are tightly packed and used to deposit eyeshadow on the outer part of your eyelid or anywhere you need more pigmentation, like your lower lash line. For shimmers and glitters, I like to use my fingers. I believe that gives the best coverage. Lastly, we have angular eyeshadow brush. This brush is angular, so it helps define your eyebrows easily. It's good to line your lips as well, and even to apply a smudged eyeliner with an eyeshadow. It helps with blending that. It has stiff, dense bristles, which helps with precision blending as well. Sharing some bonus extra brushes. These are not essentials but good to have in your kit. First is a contour brush. This brush always has an angular top to fit under your cheekbones, which helps with sculpting your face. Next is a very tiny precision blending brush. If you want to blend something very precisely, like your lower lash line, smudge the kajal, if you are going for a smudged eyeliner look, this brush is one of my personal favorite. You can also have a eyeliner brush. This brush makes eyeliner application very easy as it has an extremely precise bristle. Great to apply your gel eyeliners. And that is all the brushes that you will need. I'll be leaving the link of the kit that I have used from Cuffs and Lashes. I think it's a great beginner friendly kit that you can use. This video is not sponsored by them, but I really like the quality of those brushes. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.